Hi guys, this is Mysterious Jelly and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is about unboxing and reviewing a facial steamer inhaler vaporizer. This belongs to the healthcare company and it's a NanoCure facial ionic steamer. These are the instructions. It's very simple to use. There's a warning, you can pause the video and check it out if you want. Let's check the other side. These are some features, very useful ones. It's worth the price. So let's start unboxing. We have a warranty card over here. We have a 1-year warranty for this product. This is a user manual. We have the device itself over here. Here is the steamer. We also have the essential oil tray and 10 cotton pads which they have given. We are done with this. Let's check out the device right now. Open the cover first, then here this is how it looks. It has a very sleek design. We can fill the water in this tray. You should only fill drinking water or filter water, and it has a capacity of 100 ml. This is the cap. We have a warning over here. It's just that we shouldn't put any essential oils inside the water tray. We should put it only on the cotton pads. It has a portable handle and a power switch. This can be used as a medical cure for cold, cough and sinus with nano-ionic technology. This can be used for both kids and adults, and the steamer can also be used for facial sauna, which helps in reducing acne. This is where you put the water, and they also have a cap below it. It has water purification, PTS heating element, hot steam production, internal circulatory system, fragmented nano steam, UV sterilization and nano ionic steam. These are the procedures which this product follows. So this is how you put the cotton pad in the essential tray. This is the power button. This added diffuser tray serves as a purpose for skin treatments, relieves congestion in respiratory tracts during common cold, cough, flu, sinus and parched throat. This is where you fill the water. After removing the cap, you have to pour the required amount of water and fit it back into the device. Just like this. It's very simple to fill and use. It works for 15 minutes straight, and once the water is over, the product's off automatically. By just a single switch, you can turn on this steamer, just like that. And you can also see the UV light there. It doesn't take too long for the steam to come in the normal speed. In 2 to 3 seconds, you can start seeing the steam coming out. In 50 seconds, it comes in the normal speed. So this is how it looks from all the angles. It has a 1.1 meter long wire. So now we can start seeing the steam coming out. You need to put only drinking water or filter water because the salts in the water or the tap water which we use normally may spoil the device. These are all the features you can see here. Then please read the warnings and the instructions which they have given. It has inbuilt water purification and PTC element.